Part 4, The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role. A 3-year study using satellites and aerial photography conducted by United Nations warns that environment has deteriorated so badly that it is critical in many of the 88 countries inquired or investigated. A 3-year study which was conducted by United Nations by satellites. Satellites are the electronic devices which are sent into space, and study done by aerial photography. A photography done in the sky warns shows that environment has deteriorated, means gone so badly, so bad that it is very very serious in around 88 countries which were inquired. There can be no doubt that the growth of world population is one of the strongest factors distorting the future of human society. And the one factor which has changed shape of the future of human society is the rising population. It took mankind more than million years to reach the first billion. That was the world population around year 1800. By the year 1900, a second billion was added, and the 20th century has added another 3.7 billion. And the present world population is estimated at 5.7 billion. Every 4 days, the world population increases by 1 million. What a staggering figures. Fertility falls, productivity falls, the increase in the population falls with the income rises, as the education spreads and the health improves. जैसे जैसे ये तीनों डेवलपमेंट होते हैं, ऐसा माना जाता है पॉपुलेशन कम होती है. Thus development is the best contraceptive. डेवलपमेंट ही बेस्ट वे है पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करने का. बट डेवलपमेंट itself may not be possible if the present increase in the numbers continues. Naturally, we need more and more things, we need more and more resources for the continuing population. The rich gets richer and the poor beget children, which condemns them to remain poor. Rich जो हैं वो rich होते चले जाते हैं, and poor begets, they produce children, which condemns them, which forces them to remain poor. More children does not mean more workers, merely more people without work. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि if there are more children, there are more workers. It means that more people are without work. It is not suggested that human beings be treated like cattle and compulsorily sterilized. और ऐसा भी सजेस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता कि ह्यूमन बींग्स को पकड़कर भैंस, बफलोज और काउस की तरह से कंपल्सरी स्टरलाइज किया जाए, उनको अनप्रोडक्टिव किया जाए. But there is no alternative to voluntarily family planning without introducing an element of coercion. But नैनी पालकी वाला कहते हैं but there is no alternative, उसके अलावा कोई चारा भी नहीं है. To voluntarily family planning, एक by will family planning होती है कि लोग अपने मन से चाहें कि फैमिली छोटी हो, without introducing an element of coercion. जब तक उसके अंदर एक coercion ना हो, एक फोर्स नहीं होगी फैमिली को रोकने के लिए. The choice is really between control of population and perpetuation of poverty. क्योंकि ये लोगों को सोचना है, चॉइस किसके बीच में है. इट इज़ बिटवीन ईदर वी शुड कंट्रोल द पॉपुलेशन और देयर विल बी अ परपेचुएशन ऑफ पॉवर्टी और देयर विल बी कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ पॉवर्टी. The population of India is estimated to